Hi, my name's Donna McNiven, and today we're going to discuss how do you earn money on YouTube, and there's 3 easy steps. YouTube is undoubtedly one of the biggest platforms for affiliate marketers or anybody who wants to sell a product or service. It's a great way to generate traffic to your website, blog, or your local business, and that's why it's so important. First, you want to create a YouTube channel. You can do this by going to YouTube and creating a channel. Within YouTube, you can then customize your channel to the way that you want it. Then you'll have to create a video. Now, these can be short videos and they don't have to be complicated. One of the tools that you can use is Camtasia. It's a very good screen recorder and video editor, and you can actually sign up for a free trial. Now, I really do recommend this if you have the budget to do it, because it can actually save a lot of time and it means that your videos will be very professional. Now, if you are working on a budget, there is another option, and that's OBS Studio, and this is free to download and use, and it does have quite a lot of good features. But you may also need video editing software like OpenShot, which is also free to download. Now, what I'll do is leave some links in the descriptions where you can actually pick up these tools. After you upload your video and you're getting traffic to your video, you then want to consider monetizing your videos. Now, one of the most popular methods is by joining the YouTube Partner Program. You do need a certain amount of views and about 1,000 subscribers to do this, but when you have these in your videos, you can actually earn money from advertising. You can also sell products or merchandise. You can sell your own products or services if you have a local business, or perhaps you have an SEO course or other courses or products that are your own, so you can sell those. You can license content to the media as well. There are a number of ways, but probably these are the most popular ways. You can work with brands as an influencer also, and this is also a very popular method. Or you can become an affiliate marketer, which is probably one of the favourites. Now, to do this, you can sign up to sites like ClickBank. Another way to find affiliate programs is you can go directly into Google and type the hosting program that you're looking for, and it will come up with all sorts of affiliate programs. For instance, I typed in one to do with hosting, and we have numerous people that I can sign up with here. And Google is going to give me all the hosting affiliate programs which I can promote, and all you would do is sign up to these affiliate programs, obviously read their information and what commissions they offer, and you just have so many options available at your fingertips. I mean, if you're getting traffic to your videos and the ranking, you can pretty much monetize these videos extremely easily. You can also try looking for travel affiliate programs if you have a travel blog. and you'll come up with a list of places that you can sign up to, like Booking.com, travel payouts, for example. So there are literally thousands of affiliate programs that you can join, and especially if you're getting the traffic to your videos, you know, it really is a win-win for you and the program. So I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to earn money on YouTube with these 3 easy steps. I create regular videos on YouTube, just advising you on how to make money online, tips and ideas of things that you can do to create online wealth. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.